guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply effects only to the background or the overlay on CapCut PC and like your videos, of course. So I'm going to just select the cutout section here, and I'm going to select auto cutout just so you guys can see like where I'm putting the effects on. So for instance, I want to add the effects just to the background. So here I'm going to select something from nature, for instance, and I want to add this lightning effect, but only on the background. So I'm just going to select it, and I'm going to place it inside of the video like so, and it's going to only be added to the background, as you can see, and not the object in front. I'm a little bit lagging, so sorry. And again, if you only want to place the effects on the overlay only, select it and only place it on the video in front. And as you can see, there's sparks because I only added it in the front. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.